My brother Rahul, he has been my ally through both the most beautiful and the most painful moments of my life. As children, the two of us shared a childhood in which we experienced the devastation of violence and loss. Indiraji was like another mother to us. My brother was 14 years old when she was assassinated in our own home. Our small family of 4 was bound together by the deep love that our parents shared. And that love gave us the courage to face what was happening to us. 7 years later, when my brother was studying in Harvard University, my father was assassinated. My brother and I were shattered. But even in that moment of shattering, he said to me that he had no anger in his heart. He is a man who was ridiculed for his courage and berated for his ideas, yet he never allowed himself to become prey to anger and hatred. He is someone who is abused daily by his opponents. His education is questioned, and yet he has the courage and the wisdom to stand up in parliament, walk over to the other side, and hug those who abuse him. It is not much known, but he has read most of the religious texts of Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, and also of Christianity. And he understands the Vedas, the Upanishads, Shaivism with a great depth. In his personal life, he is simple. One day I went to his house and I saw him cleaning his cupboard. I asked him, "What are you doing?" He said, "I am reducing everything I have to just 10 things." And ever since then, he neither has more than that, nor he needs more than that. He's a black belt in Aikido, a qualified pilot, an instructor level free diver who can dive 75 meters into the sea in one breath. He's done mountaineering courses, ITBP when he was young, and has traveled the world to understand people, social movements. For him, justice matters, truth matters, and equality for everyone around him matters. Rahul Gandhi believes with all his heart in democracy. He believes in the freedom of expression, of language, of worship, of culture. He understands that the true nature of this nation was built by the people, for the people.